In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a landing page with Clickfunnel. We'll walk through the process from the moment you log in all the way to having a new landing page ready to customize. By the end, you'll understand not just what to click, but why each step matters for your marketing. Once you're inside your Clickfunnel dashboard, start by heading over to the left-hand menu. Look for the option labeled Landing Pages. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the landing page's dashboard, which is essentially your control center for all the pages you've created. From here, you can see existing pages, manage them, and of course, create new ones. To make a brand new landing page, look toward the top right of the screen for the New Landing Page button. Click that. As soon as you do, Clickfunnel will show you a selection of templates. These templates are designed to save you time and give you a solid starting point, so you're not building everything from scratch. Now it's time to choose a template. Take a moment to browse through what's available. You'll see different categories like opt-in pages, which are great for collecting email addresses, thank you pages, which appear after someone signs up or makes a purchase, resource or download pages, perfect for delivering a free guide or checklist, and informational pages for sharing details about an offer or event. Think about your specific goal, then select the template that best matches what you're trying to achieve. Once you've picked a template, you'll need to enter some basic page information. First, give your landing page a clear, descriptive name. This is for your internal reference, so choose something that makes it easy to recognize later. Next, customize the page URL. This is the part that comes after your main domain, such as /free guide or /webinar signup. If the path you choose is already taken, Clickfunnel will automatically suggest alternative options, so you can pick one that's close to what you wanted. Finally, select a style. Here you can choose a global style that matches your branding, so your fonts, colors, and general look stay consistent across all your pages. When everything looks good, click the Create Page button. Clickfunnel will generate your new landing page and open it in the editor. From there, you can start customizing the text, images, and layout to perfectly match your offer and brand.